Welcome to your morning ritual, Tastemade meditation. My name is Amanda, and I'll be your guide in creating a mindful moment to start your day. The way we start our day sets the tone and foundation for the rest of it. Making your morning cup of coffee or tea into a ritual turns the ordinary into something meaningful, where you can invite in sacredness, intentionality, and a self-care routine that you can always rely on. Now, this content is not what you would normally expect, yet it's an important part of what we do here at Tastemade, and we would love to have you join us for this short meditation. During this meditation, you can choose to watch the beautiful food images in front of you, or you're welcome to close your eyes. Even though we know closing your eyes isn't what normally happens on social media, it's nice to take a moment for yourself sometimes. During this meditation, you will create your own morning ritual centered around what brings you joy and what provides an inner sense of balance to meet the rest of your day with. I like a strong cup of tea myself in the morning, so feel free to think about whatever it is you enjoy for a morning beverage yourself and map that onto this mindful ritual practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. Start by taking a long, deep breath in and out. Invite your body to gently soften, noticing all of the sensations of sitting and being and resting in the body. Invite your body to gently soften, noticing all of the sensations of simply sitting in the body exactly as it is in this present moment. Begin to take in the sounds of the morning around you, like the start of the day buzz of the neighborhood, or even the noises of nature. And sense the temperature of the air resting against your skin. And see the morning light reaching its way into the room that you are in. Breathe deeply in and allow this breath to release out once again. Now begin to see your favorite mug and corner in your kitchen where you like to start your day and make your morning cup of coffee, for example. Gather all of your morning moment provisions, like your kettle, favorite pour-over, that mug that brings you joy or that you just really like a whole lot to hold in your hands. Your coffee beans, coffee grinder, and now it's time to ritualize your morning brew. Before you begin making your coffee, pause and close your eyes for a moment. Slow down before you make your slow brew. Think of an intention that you'd like to set for just a few moments of mindful coffee making. Whether it's to enjoy each breath and moment before you move into the rest of your day, or to invite in more calmness or joy. Consider what would feel most supportive to you at this moment. And let this intention feel really good as you deeply breathe in and deeply breathe out. Now start to mindfully brew your morning cup of coffee. Keep your attention in each moment of your morning coffee ritual routine. Notice how good it feels to stay present with each breath and step of brewing your coffee slowly. And with your full cup of mindful coffee now in hand, add in any dollop of cream or oat milk and take a seat to savor each sip of your mindful brew. As you take each sip, feel the warmth of the mug against the palms of your hands and fingers. Smell the aroma of your coffee rising from your mug. Notice how each sip brings you a wakeful kind of contentment and joy. Remember that this is your time, so make sure to truly savor it. Giving yourself the gift of this morning ritual creates the right mindset before you meet the rest of your day. Savor any qualities that you are aware of right now, like greater peace, happiness, or presence. And know that they'll be right here with you each breath and step of the way today. Now take one more deep breath in and out. And go meet the rest of your day from here. And I'll see you back here for your next Tastemade meditation soon.